Hi everyone, I'm so happy that you joined me. I have only 1 hour to do a speed but deep clean in my bedroom. I am gonna go to lunch to my friends, so I really have 1 hour plus some time to get ready, have shower and all that. So let's see if we can do it. I'm going to set my timer. I'm going to take you along with the journey and see if I can really do deep cleaning in 1 hour. Let's begin. This is what we are dealing with. I'm going to strip the bed and I haven't dusted for a couple of weeks. I've been very busy, and last time I did deep clean was, I believe, May or April time. So I really need to clean every corner of this room. I've got some of my cleaning material and it's real life really messy. I do apologize. And I still have my tropical summer decor which they need to go after I clean. I'm also going to decorate as well if you stay till the end. I'm really determined to finish everything in 1 hour. Let's see if I can.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. The last one I think about. Oh. get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair.
My alarm went. I'm out of breath. I finished everything. Deep cleaned. I'm so happy. No decor. That's tomorrow. 1 hour is not enough for deep clean and decor. But everything is dusted. Everything is, you know, I got rid of the cobwebs and everything. My windows looking really lovely. Tired, yes. But 1 hour for deep cleaning the whole thing. So basically, don't look at the days you don't have for deep cleaning. Just look at the hours that you have. That's what I do. 1 hour deep cleaning one room. Probably another room it will take even less if you have less stuff. So I'm so happy with my performance, and I cannot wait to decorate tomorrow and show you what I do for fall. So I'm just going to go have shower, get ready, go to my friend, and then I'm going to record the decorating, and you are going to watch it all in one video. See you tomorrow or a few minutes time. Let's have a look at it one more time. I hope I really motivated some of you at least to have a go. Even if you don't have a lot of time, just 1 hour, attempt to deep clean your space, whether it's a living room or bedroom, and end result will be a lot better than what you started with. Let's decorate for fall now. I'm introducing black to my bedroom for the first time. I got some decor in here. I still have my morning coffee. This was Sunday morning. This crushed velvet blanket is from the Rain store, and it's super soft, perfect for the bedroom. My velvet cushions from Amazon. I bought it last year and I used it in living room last year. And this pumpkin cushion is from Joann's fabric store, and this is a DIY inspired by Z Gallery. Let's hang the curtains first.
Yeah, I'm lost, but I'm living. Yeah, I'm lost. Can I be forgiven? Thought by now pain would be my friend. I know that discomfort was a means to an end, but I'm lying in one bed. No, I'm lost, but I'm living. No, I'm lost.
I'm gonna use magnetic curtain pulls in the middle, just for fun, just to see how it goes.
Claustrophobic and comfortable. I smother myself in what I know. I'm claustrophobic and
Really happy with the bed. Let's decorate the dresser.
myself in what I know.
The mirror tray is from the range store. It was part of a set of three, 2 little ones and 1 big one. This is the large one, and it was only £5 in clearance. And I really love containing all the perfumes in a tray to make it more organized on the dresser. The candle holder is from a store called Karaca Home in Turkey, and the black pumpkin is a DIY, and the little one is Z Gallery one.
What I know.
I already hauled you these if you watched that video. The candle holder black one is from Turkey, and these 2 little sparkly ones, well, not that little, I don't know why I said that, but they are from the range store, and I'm just using plant toppers from a garden center actually, these black marbles, and I'm going to put candle on top as well. I really love this sparkly super glam jar. I haven't decided what I'll be putting inside, but I love it. I think this pot is a bit lost at the back. I need to raise it a little because everything is similar height. When it is like that, your eyes cannot actually see anything. Everything is a mishmash. So to keep it interesting, to keep it more noticeable, all the decor needs to be at different heights, if you ask me. I'm using a tissue box holder from the range store, and it was only $3.99 as a riser. And here's the reveal.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep,